Morning children. So in the last class we have seen about these three friends going to the house of Sohan and spending a whole day there. Yeah? So in this lesson we have come across some names like so in that lesson we came across some names like Sohan, Raj, then there were two girls, Asif, Rekha, isn't it? So, yeah, all these friends came to the house of Sohan. So there was another word. Yeah, house is a word. Then there was another word, living room. Then they found a lot of things over there. There was a sofa, isn't it? There was a sofa there. There was a fish bowl. There was a piano. A painting was hanging on the wall. Isn't it? So all these are different words that we came across in the lesson, I and my home. So, see, Sohan, Raj, Asif, Rekha, all these are of persons. Isn't it? They are the names of persons, means people. Isn't it? So the names like Sohan, Raj, Asif, Rekha, etc. are names of persons, or we can say as a people. Right? Now, home, a living room, dining room, or a thing of a city, or when we say is a good tour. Right? So these are the names of places. Right? And sofa is a thing, fish bowl is an object, is a thing, piano is a thing, painting is a thing. Isn't it? So these are the words that shows the names. So what are these? These are names of things. These are names of places. And these are names of people. Right? So all these are different names that we have gathered from this lesson. And some of them denote the name of persons, some of them denote the name of places, some of them denote the names of things. Okay, so these kinds of words are the words that denote the names of persons, place or thing is called a noun. Okay, words that denote the name of persons, places or things are called a noun. Right? Okay. Now when we write a man or a boy or a girl, they are also names of people. When we write a city or a village or a town, they are again names of places. When we say temple, or when we say shop, or when we say cup, they are also names. Okay, so a noun can denote anything, either a person, a place or a thing. Okay. At the same time, if I say Sohan or Ravi okay, or Bhanu. They are also names of persons. If I say Guntur, if I say Delhi, or if I say Chennai, they are names of places. If I say Taj Mahal, or if I say the name of an animal, Roxy, or Tom is the name of a pet cat, right? So when we say a general name, a man can be any man, isn't it? A boy can be any boy, but a girl can be any girl. But when I say Sohan, it can be only one boy, one man, one person, isn't it? Ravi can be only one person. Bhanu can be only one girl. Guntur, there is only one Guntur in this world. Delhi is also only one place. Chennai is also only one place. Taj Mahal is only one. Tomcat is a name of a particular cat. So when we gather this special names, okay, when we speak about these special names, they are known as proper nouns. Okay, so what is a proper noun? A proper noun is a special name, a name of a particular person, place, or a thing is called a proper noun. Okay, now we will do an exercise related to this particular point.
Children, we have already seen the lesson part about the nouns, the naming words, and we have seen the different types of nouns also, like proper nouns and common nouns. Okay, so now we have an activity part, an exercise part given over here, so we will do that now. So read the following paragraph, underline all the special names with the red and circle all the common names with the green. Okay. So here is a paragraph given with some 5 sentences. So we need to identify all the special names. A special name means proper nouns in that, and we need to put them in a box. Okay, it's given to circle here, but I will use a box for that. And all the common names have to be done in a red. Okay, so we will use a red mark to underline the common words. Okay, so read the sentences. Sohan, Raj, Asif, Rekha and Aruna study in the same school. Sometimes they play in the park near their houses. One day, Sohan invited his friends to his house. They were happy to see fishes in a bowl. They ate tasty food and played together at Sohan's house. Right? So now we will start to read these sentences one by one and circle or keep the proper nouns or the specific names in a green rectangle and the common names with a red mark. Okay. So Sohan, Raj, Asif, Rekha and Aruna study in the same school. Okay. So Sohan, is a Sohan a proper noun? Is Sohan the name of a specific person? Yes. So we will use a green box to put Sohan in. Second is Raj. Raj again is a name of a particular person. So we will put a Raj also in a green box. Now Asif. Asif is the name of another friend of Sohan, isn't it? Okay, so Asif also is in a box. Rekha. Rekha is the name of another friend, right? So that also is in a box. Aruna is the name of another friend that they have, right? So then we have school. School can be any school, na? So we will use a red underlining for that. Okay. So in the first sentence, Sohan, Raj, Asif, Rekha and Aruna are specific names or special names. So they are kept in the box, and the school is a common name, so we have kept that with an underlining. Sometimes they play in the park. So now the second sentence. Sometimes they play in the park near their houses. So sometimes they play in the park. Park is a common name. So we will, okay, that's not working. So park is a common name. We need to underline that. And again, houses. House is also a common noun. We need to underline that. One day, Sohan invited his friends to his house. Sohan is a proper noun. We have already done that in the first sentence, so we have put it there. Invited his friends. Friends again is a common name. Okay, so friends again is a common name. We have to underline that. To his house. House is a common noun. They were happy to see fish in a bowl. Fish again a proper noun. A bowl, a common one. It can be any bowl, na? So they ate tasty food. All kind of food are there in that, okay? And played together at the Sohan's house. Right? So now we'll move on to the next question. Yes. So let's play this game. Write one common and one special name in each column. Begin the special name with the capital letters. So there is a person, place, animal, thing, boxes given there, and we have got some options also. We need to write a special name and a common name, means a common noun and a proper noun. Okay. So first is Sohan. Sohan is the name of a person. So it is a person, and Sohan is the name of a particular person, isn't it? So that is a proper noun. Delhi is the name of a particular city, so it's a special name, it's a place. Boy is a name of a, yes, is a naming word. It can be used for anybody. It's a commonly used word, isn't it? City is another such a word for a place. It can be any city, so that is a common word, right? Tiger is the name of a particular animal, no? Tiger is the name of a particular animal. Animal is a word that can be used for any animal, isn't it? The word animal can be used for any animal. So animal is a common noun. Chair is a proper noun. Gas is any gas, isn't it? So that is a common noun as far as the things are concerned. So examples of a person is a Sohan and a boy. A place is a Delhi and a city. An animal is a tiger and an animal. A thing is a chair and a gas, right? So I'll keep this window the same for another over 2 minutes. Look at the video, look at this screen and read it loud. Okay.